kamamsi and mga friendship. Good morning! Busy Saturday morning. So, itong gagawin ko, ngayong Saturday morning, pipinturahan ko itong brown cabinet ng white. So, ayan na.
Your morning eyes, I could stare like watching stars. I could walk you by an hotel without a thought. You'd be mine, would you mind if I took your hand tonight? No, you're all that I want this life.
Ayan na mga kamamsi, natapos ko ng pinturahan yung aking drawer cabinet. Yung dating kulay brown, ngayon ay kulay white na.